This is a men's trousers making video. Part 1. Back pocket. These are the pieces we need. We'll begin by stitching the back darts. Fold the dart along the table edge or press with your thumbnail and stitch it. Ensure the dart doesn't extend into the back pocket area. Press the darts towards the centre back using a tailor's ham. Mark the pocket placement again on both the right and wrong sides. Use chalk or thread marks for the final garment. A sharp pen can help with accuracy during practice. Fuse the pocket opening on the wrong side. Place one pocket bag on the wrong side and pin it. The pocket bag should fully cover the waistline, ensuring equal seam allowance on both pocket ends. Stitch the bottom jet on the right side. Align and stitch the top jet. From the wrong side, the stitches should appear as shown. Fold the pocket opening along the stitch lines and cut precisely in the middle. Open it up and continue cutting to 1 cm before the stitch ends. Move the jet aside and cut into the corners. Cut as close as possible without cutting the stitch thread. Double check from the wrong side. Pull one jet from the wrong side and press the seam open. Fold the jet along the seam edge to make it half the pocket opening size. Press gently, as this isn't permanent. Repeat for the other jet. Turn it over and adjust the jet sizes equally on the top and bottom. Press firmly for a permanent crease. Pull out the triangles at the pocket ends and stitch them down on the jets. Check that the two jets and pocket corners are perfectly squared from the right side before proceeding. Hold the bottom jet, flip the back piece and pocket bag, and stitch the exposed seam allowance down to the jet. Move the back piece aside and stitch the jetting edge onto the pocket bag. Often, fabric selvage is used on this edge instead of folding 0.5 cm seam allowance. Place the other pocket bag on top and position the facing with the folded edge downward. Ensure the pocket opening is fully covered. Edge stitch the facing to the pocket bag. Lay the back piece right side up and fold it away to expose the pocket bag. Place the other pocket bag on top with the facing side up and stitch around it at 0.3 centimeters. Ensure this stitch doesn't catch the jettings or facing. If the edges of the jettings and facing are too close to the stitch, trim them to maintain a 0.5 cm gap from the pocketing edge. Turn the pocket bag inside out from the top. Arrange the seam allowance neatly inside and press. Stitch again at 0.5 centimeters to complete the French seam. We're going to stitch the top jet down onto the pocket bag. Close the jets from the right side, flip the top piece and stitch close to the folded edge. Blend the start and end of the stitch into the pocket bag stitching. Stay stitch the pocket bag onto the waist seam allowance and trim the excess fabric. This completes part 1 of making trousers. The video continues in part 2.